Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check battery temperature on Redmi 14C. If you want to check your battery temperature, go to Play Store and then search for Ampere. Then click on Install and wait a moment. After a while, click on Open. And then you can click on Consent and OK. And here is your battery temperature as well as other data. And if you want to change the unit of the temperature, click on Settings in top right corner, then Basic Settings, and then click on this third option, which is Temperature. It now says in Celsius. When I click on it, it changes to Fahrenheit, and then when I go back twice, you can see that the temperature is now in Fahrenheit. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.